I became a lifeguard after participating in the Lifeguards Explorer Program.
Come on.
The Explorers Program really helped me remember that the most important thing is not being fast. You have to assess the situation and you have to be fit in order to do your job. The hardest part of being a lifeguard is actually running in slow motion.
Yeah. Ooh, come on.
The camaraderie between lifeguards is definitely really tight. We're really trustworthy between each other. You know, there's a lot of trust that has to go between, who's going to make the right call.
Come on. Get back.
The most important attribute of being a lifeguard would definitely be initiative. When it comes to saving someone, I know what to do, I can help, and I will do that. Any advice that I would have for someone considering to be a lifeguard would definitely be to look into the Explorers Program. It can be tough, it can be hard, but as long as you stick it out and you have that tenacity, then you can definitely make it.
Come on. Woo!
The reason why anyone should consider doing the Explorers Program is first, to make sure that you are prepared to be a lifeguard and that you are ready. And then second, just to have fun and also grow into the person that you want to be.
Yeah.
It's knowing that I'm helping my community, that I'm keeping my community safe. So I very much enjoy being a lifeguard.